Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a landing bay to a cockpit in Starfield. First, understand that your landing bay needs a clear internal path to your cockpit. Each landing bay has a specific entry point, often marked by a white arrow, which must align with an accessible connection on an adjacent module. This ensures you can physically walk from the bay into your ship's interior, and ultimately, to the cockpit. Without this proper connection, you will encounter a flight check error. Ship modules in Starfield utilize different connection types. You'll primarily encounter circular connection points for most structural and functional parts, like engines or fuel tanks. Square connection points are specifically for weapons and equipment. For interior access, look for doorway connections, which often feature a small arrow. These are crucial for creating the walkable paths inside your ship, ensuring your landing bay can properly link to a habitat or directly to your cockpit. A common issue is the landing bay needs to be connected to cockpit error. This means there's no valid internal route. To fix this, ensure a habitat module is placed directly adjacent to your landing bay's entry point. Then, connect that habitat to your cockpit, creating a continuous pathway. Some landing bays have top or rear entrances, so always check their specific design. Proper alignment of these entry points is key to resolving this flight check warning. For more control over your ship's interior, you can influence door placement. Instead of simply dragging a module, select the specific connection node on an existing hab with a left click, then press the Add button, often G on PC, to attach a new module. This helps prevent random door generation. Also, explore various landing bay types. Some, like the Deimos 120 LD, feature an integrated ladder, allowing direct vertical access to an upper deck without needing an intermediate habitat module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.